Hello, Justine Lackey from Good Cents Bookkeeping. How are you? Today is Monday, April 10th, 2017. And if you know me and you know my business, Mondays is Money Mondays here in the Good Cents Bookkeeping headquarters, which you see behind me. So I want to talk about something that is so important. It is literally one of the most important money activities in your business, and that's called AR. And AR stands for Accounts Receivable. So sometimes new business owners are like, what is AR? And it's really easy to remember what accounts receivable is. It's because it's money that you receive into your business. So as you know, money is the lifeblood of your business. You have to get it in order to survive in the world and also to keep the wheels of your business running. So collecting money is probably one of the least exciting activities, probably actually one of the most loathed activities for small business owners. So if that's you, you're not alone. And I want to talk about some things that will help you mitigate that problem or shift it in your business. And so there's four really crucial elements to managing your accounts receivable. The first one is having a really great contract. The second one is having a professional invoice. The third one is scheduling time to follow up on money that's due to you. And the fourth one is the barrier to sale. And we're going to talk about all of those really quickly. It goes without saying that if you're in business, you need a contract. That contract should say the services you're providing, how much you're charging, and when you're getting paid. There are a lot of great resources for you to find inexpensive contracts on the internet if you're new to business. If you're a little bit more seasoned, I definitely recommend hiring a lawyer to draw something up that's customized just to you and your needs. But here's the thing, right? Even though a lot of entrepreneurs have and use contracts, they don't actually follow up on what they signed. So maybe their their contract says, we're going to invoice you on the 10th, or we're going to invoice you at this milestone. Somehow, entrepreneurs forget about that part. And then when their clients don't pay them, they get mad, they get angry, they play the blame game. And really, it's all about process, right? So if you sign that contract, you're actually contractually bound to invoice your client on time. So that leads to the next point two, which is having a professional invoice. This is so important. Like, you're not an amateur. Make sure your invoice has your company name on it. It has a date, it has an invoice number, it has your tax ID, it has what you're invoicing for, when it's due, and how much you're invoicing, right? Most importantly, let customers know how to pay you. So as you know, I'm giving away my QuickBooks Online training course, my QuickBooks Online Mastery course, only until April 15th, 2017, so you only have a few days to grab it. And it is an excellent way for you to generate professional invoices. You can customize them with your logo, all your own information. It's fantastic. So go and grab that course. I'll give you the details at the end of the video. The third thing is following up on your invoices before they're due. You catch more flies with honey than vinegar. So a few days before an invoice is due, send your client an email. Hey, just want to give you a little reminder. On April 15th, I'm going to be invoicing you for XYZ. Don't email them on April 20th. You didn't pay my invoice on the 15th. That's not nice. It's not a way that you're going to retain your customers over a long period of time. So be proactive about your collections. And don't be shy. If people owe you money, it's okay to follow up with them. Don't be nervous about it. It's a skill. It takes a little time to learn, but you have to do it. It's so important. And it's actually a sign of a professional, right? Because we all know we're in business to make a profit and to make a living and to have a great life. So that's elements 1, 2, and 3. The fourth one is something that I call a barrier to sale. And what that means is, and there's a lot of them, but in terms of accounts receivable, a big barrier to sale is your customers don't know how to pay you. Make it easy for them. Have credit card processing or ACH payment links. You can do that with QuickBooks Online. Of course, you pay a small fee for it, but you save time in terms of collections. Set up a PayPal address. People love PayPal. A lot of people use it. Not everybody, of course, but it's an easy way for people to pay you. If you only want to get paid by a check, make sure on your invoice you have who that check is payable to and where to send it. Don't make your customers ask for that information. Don't create a barrier to sale. So you need a contract, you need a professional invoice and an invoicing system. You need to follow up before invoices are due and nicely after they're overdue. And fourth, you need to remove all barriers to sale. So that's it for Money Monday. You can download my QuickBooks Online Mastery course up until April 15th, 2017. That's available at www.goodcentsbookkeeping.com. The link is in the comments. Please feel free to share this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Have a great week.